Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be making something totally different. I was like, let me just get up and make me something really different today. So I'm going to be making some Japchae. I just wanted to make that because I got this from Thanksgiving dinner and they had this there and I was craving it so bad. So I'm gonna be making that, and let me show you guys how it looks really quick. So hold on. Oop, it's cold.
We are going to make japchae. Japchae is stir-fried vegetables, mushrooms, and meat with chewy glass noodles.
So I'm gonna be just doing that. Maybe I'll start eating different types of food, like, I don't know. I also put my Christmas tree up. I was gonna do that in the vlog and just decorate my Christmas tree, because I did want to do like Christmas vlogs and all that stuff, but maybe it's too soon. I don't know. Comment down below if you guys want to see Christmas vlogs with the kids and I. But they have carrots, they have red peppers, and they also have mushrooms in there. You know, I'm on the healthy side, and that's just what I want. But I did add a little bit of beef. I didn't add too much beef, but I want to add just a little tiny bit. But after that, I kind of think that I'm not going to, you know, go all in with the beef or anything, because I'm trying to get, you know, healthy, you know, and I want to try like more noodles and more vegetables. That's just something that I want to do. I want to be more on the healthier side and eating small portions of meals, so that, you know, my stomach got to go down. And I probably do a vlog on that, because your girl got the mommy tummy, okay? And that's okay. The girls out there that's having the mommy tummy, everybody goes through it. We're going to get that out the way, and, you know, we're going to be on the healthier side. No more beef, no more. I mean, you can do a small portion of beef, not a lot, and that's just something that I'm going to do. So I'm going to get this tummy down. Most likely I am going to go work out, you know, stuff like that, and that's just something that I'm going to do. I kind of think that I like to work out at home. I don't like to be around a lot of people, so I'm a homebody. So probably do a little bit of exercise at home and stuff. But let me just get this food going. I just came from the store, if I didn't already say that. When I was at the store, girl, I didn't know what was in that store. I was like, I don't know, I'm just ripping and running. Everybody else getting their stuff and gone. I'm like, I need to get my stuff and go. I wish I knew exactly how to read that stuff, but hey, you learn. So now I got my red peppers, and then I got my carrots, I got spinach, and then I also have mushrooms and garlic, and I got my beef right here. So I got soy sauce right here, and I have so I got my sesame oil, I got this, and I am going to be cutting these up. These are really thick, so I'm going to cut these up so that they can be very chewy and not like, you know how it'd be hard to bite into. I'm going to just cut these up, and that's just what I'm going to do. So let me just get things going. Oh yeah, let me show you guys. So I did get my mushrooms and everything. I did go in and soak these because I honestly just wanted these soaked. So I got these soaked for 2 hours. I also got my spinach. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut those up, and then I'm going to continue with this. Go ahead and add this in there. This is enough. This is enough. I honestly think that this is enough. I'm just gonna put that in there. I'm also gonna take my black pepper and I'm just gonna put this in there. I'm not gonna add too much. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. It might look crazy right now. And then I got my sesame oil right here. And I'm just gonna add like a little bit. And my hands are clean, so I'm gonna mix this. I'm gonna just mix it with my hands. I just really want to just use this. I think I need 2. This probably is not going to be enough. So I think I'm going to use 2 of them. So this is how everything is looking right now. Everything is all sauteed and done. Ooh, that looks good. I'm going to just go ahead and put everything on. I used to be the type of person that was like, I'm not going to try different stuff. Like, I think that it's nasty. Your girl is gonna try these noodles. These are the sweet potato Japanese noodles, and the girl's gonna get down on these noodles. I can't even read this stuff that's on here. They look good. Yeah, I was literally at the store like, what is going on? Like, I don't know what I'm getting. But I'm just waiting on everything to get done. This is sesame oil. So I think I'm gonna start using sesame oil, especially sesame oil is something where if you wanna like make if you want to make like fried rice or something like that, I kind of think that that's what I want to make next time, because this girl, I think you gotta put the rice in there overnight, in the refrigerator overnight, and then let it sit and get frozen or something like that, and then use this to fry it with. Girl, I can't wait. We got carrots, we got red peppers, we also have spinach, and this is how it looks. I actually cut these up like into thin pieces. And then we have this, and this is like marinating. I just let it sit out for a minute. This gonna go dead. I'm gonna charge this back up, and then everything should be done, and I'm gonna get back on. So this is the red peppers, carrots, and beef and garlic that I have in here. I didn't cut up any onions in here, but I don't know if I want any right now, so I'm just marinating. Ouch, shit. See, I'm just marinating this, and it's almost done. And then I got my other stuff over here. I got my noodles and my spinach over here, and I did go in and add some brown sugar on here. That's brown sugar. Then I got my spinach, then my noodles. They're clear noodles. I love these noodles. Then I got my eggs right here. I don't have a big pot to put it in, so everything is gonna be like separated and stuff. This looks so juicy and good. I did go in and add like my garlic and everything in here, so everything should be done in just a minute. I think I'm just gonna leave the top off of this. Okay, so this is the finish look. This is really good. This is my first time trying it. Maybe if I had some sesame seeds in there, that would have been really perfect and pretty. I'm gonna eat my food. Super good. I've been craving for this forever, and I finally got my hands on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It'll make sense. Tired. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. You know how kids.
My neck is hurt.
Why? Cause what?
Because it beat up my neck.
You slept on the wrong side of the bed. But what I can say is never judge a book by its cover, because you never know how the story will turn and voila, blossom, you know, something like that. And I always think positive. And when I was going grocery shopping, I saw this boy and he had autism, and he was on the register counting money, doing good. So you never judge a book by its cover. And you know, that really made me so happy, and it brought joy and tears to my eyes to see how people can just do things and stuff that, like me personally, I never thought that I would be on here talking to you guys and just giving out positive messages to you guys. I never thought that anybody would just sit there and just watch me do what I wanted to do. I never thought that I was gonna pick up a camera and just do things like this, like, and that really makes me so happy, and it just really makes me want to thrive and thrive. But you know, I gotta start somewhere. Everything is not like peaches and cream. Everything is not gonna be like, you know, butterflies and, you know, a piece of cake and, you know, stuff like that. I go through stuff just as well as you guys go through stuff, so that motivates me to thrive harder and just do stuff that I want to do, because seeing that type of stuff, like, you can't always say, oh, I can't do this, I can't do that. Just try. Like, you never know how it will turn out. You never know how it will go. I used to always be that type of person where I used to say I can't do something, and girl, look at your girl now. That's just like, okay, let me give you guys a quick rundown of me. So I used to be this type of girl that always would like fill out an application, and when I fill out the application and they call me for an interview, I didn't get the job. Why? I don't know. Maybe because they was some jealous beep beep beep, you know. But I had to say, you know what, maybe this not for me. And when I got the job at the hospital, I was like, yes, I love this job. But people started to hate, like, but that's with any job, right? People started to hate, and I hated that. Like, it was just like, why can't I just come here, be a regular person, get the job done, and go home? They didn't like that. Like, I was always that nice girl, but I also wanted to just take the time and say, always stay positive, because I can say that it's just a lot of negative shit going on. A lot of jealousy, a lot of hate, and that's just not the right way to go. If you guys are not close to God, I need you to. I'm gonna tell you guys a quick story about that, but not in this video, in another video. I don't know if I'm close up to you guys. I'm on my Canon, I got my other camera, but I just grabbed anything right now, and I'm about to do Lulu. I'm just playing. I'm gonna have Lulu down at the bottom of this video, so you can just scroll up and just click on Lulu, and it's cheap. Like, I always give me cheap because of the fact that your girl is on a budget, but this was like 30 something dollars, and I can say it's not on sale. I wish that it was on black sale because I would have got it, but this just came in the mail. I just took it out the package, and your girl is so happy. I've been thriving to get that thing, and I finally got it, but I think I'm talking too much.